why journaling works. Have you ever felt like this? Like your mind is a storm and every thought is a jagged bolt of lightning, just waiting to hit. For centuries, people have been searching for an escape, a way to quiet the noise. But what if the answer wasn't escaping, but facing the storm head on? This is where journaling steps in. It's not just writing about your day, it's a tool, a release, a path out of the darkness. When you write down your worries, your fears, your dreams, they transform. They're no longer nebulous monsters in your mind. They become concrete, tangible. You start to see patterns, you recognize your triggers, you learn to reframe your challenges. Journaling doesn't just empty your mind, it helps you organize it. It's like giving your thoughts.
3 simple steps to start. Rule number 1. Lower the bar. Don't aim for a masterpiece. Commit to just 2 minutes or 3 sentences a day. The goal is the habit, not the word count. Rule number 2. Pick your tool. Use whatever is easiest. A notebook, a fancy leather journal, or even a dedicated app on your phone. If it feels like a chore, you won't do it. Rule number 3. The brain dump rule. When you're stressed, don't worry about grammar or making sense. Just vomit your thoughts onto the page until the scribbles in your head feel smaller. High-value starting points. If you're staring at a blank page and don't know what to write, try one of these. 1. The current state check. Right now, my mind feels like nothing understanding anything, so write, one thing that is draining my energy today is 2. The gratitude. Reset. What are 3 tiny things that went well today? For example, a good cup of coffee, a green light when I was late, a funny meme. 3. The problem solver. What is the one thing I'm most worried about? And what is the very next tiny step I can take to fix it? 4. The morning pages. Just write whatever pops into your head, even if it's, I don't know what to write, this feels silly, I'm hungry. Real thoughts will surface. And remember, journaling isn't about being perfect, it's about being present. It's a tool that grows with you, and I'm so excited to see where your pen takes you. The hardest step isn't the writing, it's the deciding to start. You've already done the hardest part by showing up today. If you want more simple, actionable ways to master your focus and calm your mind, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We're all about turning messy thoughts into clear actions here. Join us and let's make progress together.